Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing my party bag from the party I just went to. I know it sounds a bit crazy, but I really wanted to unbox this with you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get on to the unboxing. At number one, we have a emoji. You have an emoji keyring right here. It has a sticking out tongue and one eye closed. We'll put that just there for you guys. Have a look. Wait, one little look. Ding! Okay, second of all, we have this book. Wait, it's in now. It is the gnome with the knobbly knees. Let's have a look here. That gnome has the knobbly knees. Let's put that down. Now it's a mixture. It's a mixture of sweeties. Mawams, Haribos, lollipops, lots of things. We're coming to put that there. And last of all, it is my friend's cupcake. There it is. Okay, I'm going to put that just there. And look out. Okay, guys. Hope you did enjoy this. Hope you subscribe. Please like this video. And I'll give you a little run through of them again, okay? Emoji, keyring, hello. And then sorry guys. Then it is a cupcake. And then it is our mixture of sweets. And then it is the book, the gnome with the knobbly knees. If you just didn't get that, I'll just do two more things, and that will be, I'll choose them. Okay, we have the cupcake, and we have the mixture of sweets. You think that's not enough, do you? Then here's the emoji keyring, and here is the book, the gnome with the knobbly knees. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and see you again next time, and